What's up, YouTube? Look where I'm at. Tire shop over there. Rolling, I was probably 7 miles from my fuel stop up here in South Hill, Virginia. And I hear a big thunder. And look, I don't know if you can see that. Don't get that. Take a guess what? It went kaboom! It scared me so bad it made my teeth hurt. So, he's on the roadside call right now, so they may be calling somebody else. But, here we go. Alright. See what happens. We'll talk to you later. What's up, YouTube? Let me show you on my clock. 2 hours and 52 minutes. 2 hours, 52 minutes. 2 hours and 52 minutes. Well, alright, clear up. Hello, clear up. Maybe I need a light over. There we go. We got a little light on. Got to the Loves this morning. They put me on call, waiting on the guy. And he left before I got here. That's 2 hours and 53 minutes. He must be changing every tire he can on that 18-wheeler. Still at the Loves. Shop. Y'all hear that truck over there? Listen how loud that truck is. Look. Look right there. Why them trucks idle that high? Well, it's 7:01. About 5 hours I can finally get the tire fixed. I don't think it's actually, I think it's 4 hours. But, there it is. Have a look. Got her fixed it. Now I'm waiting on the clock to come on so I can take off.